What is up guys, done at the site. In this video I'm going to show you how to generate an API key token in your Jira Atlassian account. So first you need to head over to home.atlassian.com, and after that you just simply need to log in with your Atlassian account credential. After that, when you're redirected to the home page, from here you need to click on account settings, and after clicking on account settings, here in the new window the account settings will open. And from here you just simply need to click on security, and after clicking on security, here you just need to scroll a bit down, and then here you will see API token. Simply click on this create and manage API tokens. After that, the new window of API tokens creation and management will open. From here you will see all the current API tokens that you have created. As you can see here, I have two options: to create an API token or to create API token with scopes. I just simply click on create API token, and then I'll name my API token. After naming my API token, I'll simply hit on create, and after clicking on create, here this will create me a new API token. So I can just simply copy it from here, and if I want to see this API token, I just simply need to click on this I button to just see my API token. Just simply copy it from here and then press done, and you can just paste it wherever you would like. And this is how you can create a new API token in Atlassian or Jira. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.